With regular household traffic, travertine is susceptible for holes to form or old fill to come out. The easiest way to repair this is Stone Pro Traverfill. First, clean the holes from any debris. Then mix the Traverfill powder with clean water and make it into a peanut buttery consistency. For smaller holes, mix it into a thinner consistency. Put the Traverfill in the holes using a putty knife. Make sure to overfill areas above the holes. Scrape off excess with a putty knife. Clean up the dusty residue on the surface with a damp towel or sponge.